In this question, we are asked, similar to the previous two problems, to find the cutting and embankment slopes for the given contour map. As before, we still have 5 meter contours with the road formation level at 30 meters at this point, and the road falling at an angle of 5 degrees. Now, similar to before, we must find the construction lines that enable us to find the points where the contour map will intersect the formation of the road. So like before, what we are looking for simply are these luminous green lines. However, due to the fact that the road is falling away from us, these lines will appear at an angle. However, if we look in from a front view, we can see that it is in fact the road that is at an angle, and that the construction lines are parallel to the planes, or on the contour planes, the 5 meter, 10 meter planes as before. Now, in the 3D view, how this is explained is through the use of semicones. There will have to be a semicone for cutting, as here, and a semicone for embankments, as here. As we can see, for embankments, the semicone is created at the highest point, or at a higher point, and drawn back to the formation level, or where we know the height of the road. So for this example, as you can see, the orange lines are where the plane cuts the semicone. However, when looked through in plan, as you will see on your drawing, we can clearly see that where semicones, or as they are here, semicircles, meet the lines, these luminous green construction lines, that is where we create our angle. And once again, because cutting is a slope of 1:1, these will be at 5 meter intervals and they will be parallel to each other. Now, in order to find it for cutting, it is the opposite. Our cone will be placed on the lower end of the road, and as you can see here, once again, the lines, or the semicones, or circles as they appear in plan, will be created on the lower end of the road and drawn back to a point which we already know. So when viewed in plan, this will appear as semicircles that are drawn back to a point we already know. And because cutting for this question is in a slope of 1:1, therefore the distance between each one of these luminous lines, or construction lines, will be 1:1, thus giving us the points of intersection of the road and the contour map.